Hello, this is Patrick with Lone Wolf Software, and this is a quick video tutorial to show you how to use the contact log in Contact Wolf, our contact management software application for Windows. So what you see right now is Contact Wolf, the main screen, and we have the sample record selected, comes with a database, and it has some information that's included. Under the name address, you can see you have some information, the groups that it belongs to, the company, and the name and address. Below that, we have some phone numbers, email address, and over here you have website addresses and some documents that are actually linked to this particular record. Directly below that is a comments section. The comments section for any record is easily edited by simply clicking in it and typing. You can also copy and paste into this box. It is a text editor essentially. You can right click and you can see you can select copy, paste, some other options. So you can copy and paste right into this box. Anything that you enter into it's automatically saved. You don't have to click a save button. So anything that you enter is automatically saved in the software for the record that's selected. Now here at the top on the right hand side we have the supplemental section, and that lists things like, as you can see, birthday, anniversaries, nicknames, and some other extraneous information that you might want to list in a record. It will also include any custom user definable data fields that you've included in Contact Wolf. You can define your own, and that information would also be listed here. But if you click on the column header for supplemental, and you can see it says here, click here for contact log. If you click there, it opens up a contact log, which is essentially a contact history for that record. All these items that we have here that have been already added for this sample record are linked specifically to only this record that we have selected. Now when you click on the contact log, the comments box, as you see here at the bottom right, was cleared because now it's listing any comments for any of the contact logs that are selected. So if you click on one of them, you can see there is a new comment that's been, or a note in this case, listed for this particular contact log item. If you right click on the item and select edit, you can see here in the notes box it says discuss several marketing strategies, and that's what you have listed down here. So it's just listing now, instead of the comments for the record, it's listing the notes or the comments for the particular item in the contact log that you have selected now down in this box. Let me cancel that. So you can, again, you can click directly in the box and you can type, let's say, call back on Tuesday, for example. And now you can click on another item. Let's say we select this one. You'll see the notes for this one are listed in the box. We click back, you'll see that the information that we added, call back on Tuesday, was automatically saved. So again, when you're dealing with the contact log, the lower right-hand box, which was the comments section for the record, is now the notes or comments for the particular item that you have selected in the comments. And you can click directly in that box. It is something that can easily be edited by simply clicking in it and typing, or you can right click and you can copy and paste information into it. The comments and the notes for both the record and in the contact log are unlimited in capacity. So you could literally paste a book inside this box and it will be saved and saved automatically for you. So that's a lot of power and a very easy to use way to save a lot of information on a particular record, or let's say a contact log item. So anytime you want to go back to the comments for the particular record, you just click again on the contact log. Now it will say click here for supplemental. If you click back on it, now we go back to the supplemental information being listed. And again, now the comment that was linked to this particular record is being shown. So you can click back and forth, as you can see, and go between the contact log and the supplemental. Now let's go into the contact log and let's make a real quick addition just to show you how this is done again. So click on, right click in the contact log, click add. It's automatically dated and timed for you. So we'll just say subject is phone call. And in the notes we'll just say discussed sales strategies. Now when you click OK, you'll see it's automatically added to the contact log or contact history for the record. And when you click on it, since we're still in the contact log, that comment or note that was listed that we added for this particular item is now listed in this comments or notes box at the bottom right. And in fact, you always know when you're using or when you're entering information for a note for a particular contact log item, it'll say in red log notes right above the little box. So when you want to go back again to the normal comments for this record, just click again on the contact log, and you can see now the box is loaded the general comment that was linked to this particular record. So again, you can go back and forth between the contact log and supplemental information for any record by simply clicking on the column header, and any information you enter into the lower right hand box, comments or notes, will be linked to the mode in which you have selected, whether it's the contact log or the supplemental. So that's all for this quick video tutorial. Thanks for listening, and look for more video tutorials in the future. Thanks.